Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video we will talk about how to create a YouTube channel in 2020 and earn money. Okay, so if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on that bell icon as well so that you may never miss any updates from my channel. Now without wasting your time, let's start our video. So for creating a YouTube channel, you just have to open the home page of YouTube. If you're new to this YouTube field, then I suggest you to watch this whole video till the end, because in this video I will start from the basic requirements to create a YouTube channel and I will finish my video at how to upload a video on YouTube. Okay, so these all will be our topics of today's video. First of all, let's talk about our basic requirements to create a YouTube channel. First of all, you must have a Gmail account. Your Gmail account will be connected to your YouTube channel so that YouTube may send different emails to you regarding to your channel. Okay, so this is our basic requirement, that you must have a Gmail account. So in our second step, you must have a phone number. Okay, so phone number is necessary for verifying your channel. Before creating a YouTube channel, you must assure that you must have a proper phone number. Okay, so this is our second step, and in the third step you must create original contents. Okay, so what do you mean by original content? I mean that you must create your own YouTube videos. Okay, so if you're trying to earn some money, then I suggest you that you should make your own videos. If you upload others' videos, then you may not earn money from YouTube. So the YouTube policy is very strict regarding to our monetization. So if you want to earn some money, then I will suggest you that you should make your own content. Okay, although this is our third step, but I must say that this is the most important step if you want to earn some money. Now let's move further and talk about how to create a YouTube channel. So here at the top you can see there is an option of sign in. Just tap on this option. As I said, you must have a Gmail account. Here I have two Gmail accounts. If you don't have any Gmail account, then first of all you must create a Gmail account. After that, here let's suppose that I just want to create my YouTube channel through this Gmail account. I will just tap on this Gmail account and here they will ask about my password. I will just enter my password here. Now here you can see that I have signed in to my YouTube account. Okay, so we are not finished yet. For further steps is just click on this icon and go to YouTube Studio. Okay, here at the top you can see there is a pop-up of create channel. Here you have to name your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are trying to make tech videos like me, then you should name your YouTube channel according to that, but don't worry, you can always change this name later. For now, as I am making this video for demonstration purpose, so I will not change my name. Now here you have to click on this create channel. Our first step is completed. Okay, this is the basic dashboard of your YouTube channel, and here there are different portions. If you upload a video on your YouTube channel, then it will appear here, and if you create a playlist, then it will appear here, and if you want to check analytics about your YouTube channel, then you can see all that by clicking on this analytics. Now I will tell you how to verify your YouTube channel. Okay, so this is our second step. I will go to YouTube Classic. Okay, so this is the basic dashboard. Now go to the channel option. Just tap on this channel option. So at the top you can see that our YouTube channel is not verified yet. Okay, so for verifying, just tap on this verify option. This is our account verification step, and here you have to select your country. After that you have to enter your phone number. Write your phone number here just like the below pattern. Okay, now you will receive a 6-digit verification code on your phone number. Enter your 6-digit verification code here and click on this submit. Now our YouTube channel is verified. Here you can see congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Okay, now click on this continue. Now our second step is also completed. Okay, and here you can see our YouTube channel has been verified. Okay, now if I tell you more about your YouTube channel, then here you can see in uploading you are enabled. Okay, you can upload any video to your YouTube channel, and in the monetization you are not yet eligible, because for earning a money from YouTube you must have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time. If I show you further by going into our monetization page, then this is our monetization page, and here you can see that there is a message from YouTube that to get into the YouTube partner program, your channel needs 4000 public watch hours and 1000 subscribers in 12 months. Okay, and after monetization, these are some other settings about your YouTube channel. You can live stream by using your YouTube channel, and also you are eligible for uploading longer videos more than 15 minutes. Okay, so at below you can also see the other settings related to your YouTube channel. Now in our third step we will talk about how to upload a video on our YouTube channel. So I will click on this return to YouTube Studio. So for uploading a video on your YouTube channel, just click on this create and go to upload video. Now you have to select the file of your video. So I have selected a video and it's being uploaded to my YouTube channel. And here at the top you can see this is the title of your video. You must write a title of your video here. For example, I will just write my YouTube video's title as my first video. Okay, and here in the description portion you have to say about your YouTube video. For example, if my video is related to tech, then I must write a description about that video in this description portion. Okay, so I will just write a short description about my video. Okay, now our video has been uploaded, and if I scroll down further, then here you can see there is an option of playlist. Okay, so if you want to create a new playlist, then you can create from here. And if you scroll down further, then here you have to select either of these two options. I will click on this no. And now let's move towards second step. I will click on this next. Okay, just skip this step for now. I will click on this next. And here this is the final step of uploading our video. The publish, now you just have to click on this public. Okay, so that all the peoples may watch your video. Now click on this publish. Okay, you are all set. Here you can see that this is your first video on your YouTube channel. Okay, so this is how you can upload a video on your YouTube channel. After uploading your first video, if you go to your studio dashboard, then here you can see all the analytics about your channel. Here this is the current subscribers of your channel, and here in this portion you can see the latest analytic about your video. In the right portion you can see the number of views your video is getting in the last 48 hours. Okay, so this is our video. So at the end I am again saying, if you want to earn some money from YouTube, then you must make your own content. Okay, so hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.